Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda Civic clock. Locate the clock buttons near the radio or on the dash and identify H, M, and set. Press and hold set until the display flashes, then use H and M to change hours and minutes. If the clock resets incorrectly after driving, inspect the battery and fuse and consider a full memory reset following your owner's manual. Open the audio or settings menu on your Civic's infotainment system and find clock or time. Choose manual adjust if radio or GPS time is wrong, then use the touchscreen or dial to set hours and minutes. Confirm AM or PM and save changes before exiting the menu to prevent rollback. If time keeps drifting, check for software updates or consult a dealer for infotainment module diagnostics to maintain consistent timekeeping. If your Civic clock resets frequently, start by testing the 12V battery and alternator for proper voltage and charging. Low system voltage can erase clock memory between starts, so clean battery terminals and tighten connections to restore reliable power. Replace an old battery or faulty alternator as needed, and check the instrument cluster fuse for continuity. Resolving power issues often fixes recurring clock problems, without replacing the radio or dashboard module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.